It is 8 o'clock and you're watching Pix 11, the Village Halloween Parade. On your favorite news station, I'm Sukanya Krishnan.
And I'm Francis Rivera. Happy Halloween. What better way to celebrate this holiday than with us right here as we bring you live coverage of this spectacular event. And we've made our way through. We're talking about it. Can you believe that an hour has already gone by with so much festivities?
And the best is yet to come.
And these floats, it's spectacular out there, but it's so great to be able to join. Making their way up through 6,000.
You know, we want to tell you this is the nation's and we are so lucky here at Pix 11 to be able to broadcast it to you, the viewers, live. So if you have family at home and you just finished wrapping up some of the trick-or-treating, come on, cuddle up on the couch and cuddle up with us. We're going to show you and take you inside the Greenwich Village Halloween Parade. Look at that look. This is something for the kids, family, kids of all ages.
Family
you know what
friendly.
I mean?
I know we've all had our experiences in the past of coming up here. It's so great to be able to be, from this vantage point, bringing it to you at home. How about we check in?